people, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back again today with something juicy, spicy and hot as always. Yes, I hope you've all been keeping safe and you've all been doing well. In today's video, I'll be sharing starting a flipping business. Flipping business is when you get an undervalued item and you sell it in a marketplace. That's big grammar. And like I said, that there are lots of liquidation stores here in Canada. Like now I need a table eater. I actually had one 2 years ago, but because I didn't use it that year and I thought I won't need it again, I flipped it on Facebook Marketplace just at the beginning of last year's winter. But now I'm working from home and I need a table eater, so that's why I'm in search of one. So you see, that's an idea of what you can flip. I need one urgently, so I'll be going to a liquidation store and we'll be talking about flipping business, how to start it, what you need to do, and you know, all the good stuff about making money. So today's video is a money making video, okay? And for everyone that, yeah, it's a special month. I know I said that in a video sometimes earlier in the month, and for everyone that answered the question that this is my best month, yes, I've replied to your comments, to send me your emails. I'm giving out Audible books, yeah. So but for you to use these Audible books, you have to sign up through Audible Canada or Audible UK. There will be another giveaway in today's video. Just in the comment section, if you can guess my age, wow, I'm picking 2 people randomly and I'll be giving you something special. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, welcome. And on this channel we get to talk about how to make money, ways you can save money, and I take you around the city of Kitchener just for you to see what life is like in this part of Kitchener, or in this part of Canada where I live. Yeah, this is actually like the outskirts. We're actually going to Cambridge today. Cambridge is 7 minutes drive from Kitchener. So you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll always come back to watch my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for rocking with me on this channel. Of course, please, let's rock this channel to 2,000, and there will be a mega giveaway once we reach 2,000 subscribers. Yes, so we're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. So we are here. This is Treasure Hunt in Cambridge. The first thing I want to check is the heater, and I got this, but I tested it and it's not working. So you should always test whatever it is you are buying from a liquidation store. There's always a space for you to test it and check that it is complete. Check that what they have in there is complete, because it has their return policy is very strict. As you can see, I tested that and it's not working, so I'm not picking that. If you've ever wondered where return products go to, like items that you return to Amazon, that you return to Walmart, some of them goes to liquidation stores like this, that they could be sold at reduced prices. Or when companies want to come out with new products and like a new version of an item, the old ones are actually brought to liquidation stores like. So don't underestimate the values of what you can see in a liquidation store. There are sometimes clearance items, there are sometimes return goods. So just look for a liquidation store around you and see what you will get. Is either for your personal use or some things that you can sell. As you can see in this store, they are so it's a big store. I really cannot go through all this store in a day, but it's a very big store and there are so many things, and you really have to be patient when you go into liquidation stores. Some are just disorganized, some are organized. Yes, like this one, it's just all over the place, but you need to take your time to search and just make sure of what you are buying. As you can see, these are Root products, and Root is a very big designer in Canada. I'm sure they brought these things here for sale. Probably they have new edition coming out and they need space, so they brought it here for sale. You can see the prices. So this is a typical example of what a liquidation store looks like. Some are well organized while some are just all over the place. Like this one, it's a big liquidation store and it's filled. You need enough of energy to look through this place. I didn't get to see the eater, so I'm trying to check on my Google map if there's another liquidation store to check and see if I can get the eater today. Otherwise, I will just go home and just hope that I will get an eater maybe on Amazon or Walmart or somewhere, because I really need that eater badly. So I found another one. We are driving down to the one I saw. That one is just close by. and you can imagine I've never been there before. So let's go and see if I would get a heater like I want. You can see liquidation sale going on. It will be on till 15th of December. Wow, I wonder when they started. Wow, this place is more organized, like it's more but it seems they don't have heater. They have more of household items and children's toys. But from the look, the environment is clean. It's more organized than the one we just left. You can see well spaced out and arranged. Let's just look around to see what they have, and we'll see. There's no heater here, as I can see. Then some of these liquidation stores too depends on the season. Like it's almost the end of the year, it's winter, and they are selling more of winter items. Just for you to know, some of these liquidation stores open for seasonal sales. You see they have a lot of jackets. Wow, they have a lot of winter stuff there. Wow, can you believe this? 2 for $10. These are leather purses. Wow, wow, wow. Very good products. But then I don't need it and I'm not planning to resell. So these are great products over here. What a discovery. Can you see that? These are leather purses. Oh wow, sometimes it's always good to browse around you and see what you can have. These are leather bags. And they are very strong and durable winter jackets as well, but these are expensive. Winter in Canada. And these are snow boots. Wow, I'm surprised to see consumables here. Why? So let's check the expiry dates. Okay, no wonder. But sorry, I don't eat this. Wow, this is tempting. Let's check the expiry dates as well, but I'm not buying. No. Okay, I see why they have it here. $6 each. Oh, that explains why they're expiring soon. Wow. This particular liquidation store is and well spaced. You can see for yourself. They have more of children's things in stock, and yeah, that's it. And this was what I got. Half of the price. That's like $13 plus half of this price plus tax. As you can see, is a Walmart return. At least I got something, even if I didn't get the eater. I got something, and I'll give my feet some lovely treatment. Flipping business is a way to make money. People make livelihood out of it. People make it as their side, also like extra income by the side. This is something you can do. Just go about it strategically, and before you know it, you enjoy it. If you live in America, if you live in Canada, just do a Google search of liquidation stores around you, and you can even go to Walmart, go to the clearance section of Walmart, go to the clearance section of Marshalls, and you'll see some good valuable stuff that you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. And if you have more questions about it, put it in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, on this channel we talk about how to make money, how to save money, and I take you around the town of Kitchener-Waterloo, just for you to have an idea of what you can do once you land in Canada. So we talk about all the good stuff, all the juicy stuff, all the hot and spicy stuff on this channel. So you need to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and do all the good stuff. And please, I want you to share my videos. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for rocking along with me. And please answer the question in the comment section. You never can tell what the giveaway would be. How old do you think I am? Let me know in the comment section. Oh, thanks so much for watching my video today. Until I come again some other time, let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Bye now.